Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to share a healthy and tasty recipe for sprout made from moong dal and gram. First, soak the moong dal and gram overnight. Remove them from the water and hang them in a cloth until they sprout naturally. For this recipe, we need green chili, chopped cucumber, onion, tomato, salt, lemon juice. Boil the sprouts lightly in a fry pan. Sprouts are superfoods packed with many health benefits. You must include it in your diet. Give them a quick steam. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Stir continuously and then cover the pan for 3 minutes. Let's check sprouts are boiled. Transfer it to a bowl. Ensure that the size of the bowl is big enough so that all the ingredients can be mixed well. Next, we add the already prepared ingredients. Finely chopped cucumber, onion, tomato, and green chili. If you prepare this recipe for children, use lesser amount of green chili. To enhance the flavor, we add pomegranate seeds. These seeds are not only enhance the taste but also add a delightful visual element to the sprout salad. Do not forget to add salt. Add a layer of lemon juice to give the sprout a tangy kick. Lemon juice offers numerous health benefits and enhances the taste. To make it even more interesting, including resin, children especially love them. Sprinkle more pomegranate seeds for a colorful presentation. Mix everything well. Our sprout salad is now ready. Enjoy it as a side dish with your main meal or as a light snack when hunger strikes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in next video. Thank you.